Hi, it's Dave from SuperPro out here in the workshop today. Nick's kindly let me use his hoist. Normally I'm not allowed out here, to be fair, but I am today. Talk about our new control arm kits we got for the M Series BMW. They come as a left and right. You get your caster arm and you get the lower control arm. The lower control arm is longer, so this is going to fix up your camber. Obviously it comes with a little bracket here for the sensor, and it has a spherical bearing in here, not a normal bush. Now, because we've increased the length of this arm to improve the camber, we've had to do something with this arm on the caster. If you do one, you need to do the other. This one obviously has the adjuster, so you can improve that caster angle and make the car drive better, handle a little bit better, but also make it a little bit more suitable for the different camber on the road, depending on what country you're in. You know, if you've got a car that's designed for the right-hand side of the road and you're driving on the left-hand side of the road, you need to fix your caster angles up. So this will get the car up to sport spec. If that's what you're looking for, it's a great economical option to improve the wheel alignment angles on these cars and improve the handling of these cars. And not only that, you're going to get better tyre life. And as we all know, tyres for these things are not cheap. One thing we need to make sure is that it's got the 95mm subframe, so this one fits in there. But if you've got an M Series BMW, these are the perfect solution to improve your wheel alignment angle and make the car handle a lot better and bring it up to that sport spec as we've mentioned. So go to the SuperPro website, plug in your postcode, find a distributor near you, get yourself some new arms for your BMW today.